Hello, welcome to helpyoumaths.com. In this video, we're going to look at problem 19. It's a word problem. It's how to solve the equation basically. We have length of the rectangle, right? We all know how to draw a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 5 inches more than 3 times of the width. And if the parameter is 26 inches, find the length and the width. So we all know the parameter of the rectangle, right? Well, equals the 4 sides of the rectangle. Basically, the 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. Because we have the 2 sides of the length and 2 sides of width. So that's parameter. That's the equation basically. If we want to solve this problem, we can think about it. If we represent the width with x, what would be the length? We have the information here. The length of the rectangle is 5 inches more than 3 times the width. What that means is that the length is 5 inches more than even 3 times of the width. So that would be 3 times x. That would be 3 times the width, and additionally 5 extra inches. That would be the length. So we have the parameter here. We know the parameter is 26 inches equals 2 times the width. The width we represent it with x. So 2 times x plus 2 times the length. The length we know is 3x plus 5. 3x. Right? It becomes very simple equation. It's the same, yeah. We have the equation, we have the parentheses in this equation. So we can first we need to look at the expression that is in the parentheses. We have an x term, we have the number. Same, they cannot be simplified, so we just directly open the parentheses. So we have 26 equals 2 times x, just copy it down. Then equals 2, distribute 2 to each term that are in the parentheses. So we have 2 times 3x. That gives us 6x plus 2 times 5. That gives us 10. Then we can simplify this equation. Here on this side we have a number, this is 26. We just write it down. And also on this side we have a 2x, we have the 6x. The both x terms, we can combine them. So 2x plus 6x, that gives us 8x. Then just number plus 10. Then we can move the 10 to the other side. We subtract 10 for both sides. Then simplify it. So 26 minus 10, that gives us 16 equals 8x. 10 and 10 would cancel out. So we have 8x. We have 16 equals 8x. Then we divide the coefficient in front of x, which is 8 for both sides. That become 16 divided by 8, that gives us 2 equals x. We just need to rewrite, switch it back. X equals 2. So x is equals 2. That's a width. So x is 2 inches for the rectangle of the width. If we want to find the length equals 3x plus 2. That will become 3 times 2 plus 5. That will be 6 plus 5, that gives us 11. So the width is 2 inches and the length, that will become 11 inches. So that's the result.